In the heart of the world's great forests, danger meets precision, where the roar of a chainsaw cuts through silence, and where every move must be exact. This is the world of the modern lumberjack. Hello everybody, welcome back to channel Wood Arena, dangerous giant tree cutting skills with chainsaw. These men work with one of nature's largest and most powerful elements, giant trees that have existed for hundreds of years. And bringing them down safely? That takes more than just brute strength. It requires skill, knowledge, and nerves of steel. Before a single cut is made, the tree is inspected carefully. Its lean, height, and health all play a role in how it will fall. Even the slightest misjudgment can mean disaster for the worker and for everything around them. When terrain is steep or the base too wide, springboards are used, a classic technique dating back over a century. With deep notches carved into the trunk, the logger inserts boards and climbs, balancing like an acrobat above solid ground. The chainsaw is the tool of choice in this trade. Powerful, fast, and unforgiving. In skilled hands, it slices through dense hardwood like butter. In careless hands, it becomes a threat to life and limb. A deafening crack echoes through the forest. Thousands of pounds of timber crash to earth. It's one of nature's most powerful moments, guided entirely by human hands. The first major cut is called the face cut. An angled notch carved into the direction the tree will fall. It's a moment of total concentration. Too shallow, and the tree may split. Too deep, and control is lost. Then comes the back cut. This is where precision meets courage. With each second, tension builds. The tree groans, shifts, and finally, gravity takes over. There's no room for error. A tree falling the wrong way can destroy homes, damage equipment, or injure workers. These loggers calculate every angle and every cut to ensure the fall is clean and safe. Some of the most dangerous work happens in tight spaces, next to cabins, power lines, or steep slopes. This is where veteran skill shines. Guiding a 100-foot tree to land with inch-perfect accuracy isn't luck, it's mastery. Chainsaws are maintained like a surgeon's scalpel. Chain tension, fuel mix, and bar oil are all monitored. When seconds count, a malfunctioning saw can cost a life. Once the giant falls, the work is far from over. The tree is bucked, cut into massive logs ready for hauling. Every cut is made with care to maximize usable wood and maintain balance. Sometimes, Loggers face unique challenges, like the schoolmarm tree. Named for its twin tops, this split-trunk tree is unpredictable and risky to fell. It requires expert planning and nerves of steel. Here, we see the high stakes up close. A towering red fir leans dangerously near a forest cabin. The logger's cuts must be perfect. A wrong fall angle, and the structure is gone. But with steady hands and perfect technique, the tree drops safely, just feet away. This work isn't done alone. Teams communicate constantly, watching wind, lean, and load. Hand signals replace words in the roar of chainsaws and crashing limbs. These jobs happen in all weather. Snow, wind, and icy ground make everything more dangerous. One wrong step, and a skilled logger can find themselves in serious trouble. Chainsaw kickback is one of the deadliest hazards. It happens in a fraction of a second when the tip of the saw catches and whips back toward the operator. Even pros stay vigilant every moment the saw is running. When working with old-growth timber, the stakes are even higher. These trees can be 200 feet tall and weigh tens of tons. They must be approached with respect and deep knowledge of how wood behaves under stress. Sometimes, trees are removed piece by piece, especially near buildings or steep ravines. Loggers climb high, secure themselves with harnesses, and remove limbs and trunk sections carefully. It's like surgery, performed at 100 feet in the air. Once the danger is past, the cleanup begins. Gigantic logs are hauled away using machines built for power and precision. Every part of the tree is used. Nothing is wasted. What remains is more than just a stump. It's a symbol of a job well done, of danger faced, of nature respected, and of a trade that has evolved over generations. Tree cutting at this scale isn't just work, it's craft. It demands focus, training, courage, and a deep respect for the forest itself. These are the masters of the chainsaw. And this is what it takes to tame giants. Next, watch the Comptech Chippo 8010C in action as it takes on massive logs with precision and power. In this video, we get a front row seat to the raw force and efficiency of professional log chipping in a modern forestry setting. From towering trunks to perfectly shredded chips, this process is a fascinating mix of brute strength and mechanical finesse. A continuous stream of solid wood is fed into the machine's large drum. With impressive speed, the logs are pulled in and shredded into uniform wood chips within seconds. The rhythmic sound of wood cracking and the constant stream of chips flying out the chute create a captivating scene that highlights just how powerful and productive these machines are in the field. While the operation may look simple, it's a highly coordinated effort requiring skilled operators and well-maintained equipment. Everything from the angle of the logs to the speed of the conveyor plays a role in ensuring smooth processing. You'll also notice the clean, even consistency of the wood chips, an essential detail for industries like biomass energy and paper production. Whether you're into heavy machinery, forestry operations, or just enjoy watching impressive equipment at work, this video delivers a satisfying look at how modern wood chipping is done on a large scale. It's not just about breaking down wood, it's about transforming raw material into a usable product with speed, skill, and sheer mechanical power. Where dense forests stretch for miles, heavy-duty forestry work is more than just a job. It's a craft. This video takes you deep into a real-world timber operation, where raw power meets precision. At the center of the action is a Claas Zerion 3800, a massive all-wheel drive tractor built for tough conditions, paired with the formidable NHS 450 wood chipper, a machine that doesn't just chew through logs, it devours them. Operated by Hedera Skov Service, a Danish forestry service company, this setup shows what it takes to handle full-scale wood chipping in the field. Thick trunks and heavy branches disappear into the feed chute, only to be transformed into neat piles of high-quality wood chips. It's a mesmerizing blend of mechanical might and professional skill. From the moment the chipper kicks into gear, you'll see trees processed with incredible efficiency. The Claas Zerion provides the steady, powerful drive needed to keep the operation moving, while the NHS 450's aggressive in-feed rollers and chipping drum handle even the largest logs without hesitation. The entire process is smooth, controlled, and surprisingly quiet for such a heavy operation. But this isn't just a display of horsepower. It's also about technique. Watch closely as the operator positions each log with care, monitors chip flow, and ensures safety at every turn. In the world of commercial forestry, time is money, but precision is everything. Whether you're a machinery enthusiast, a forestry professional, or just someone fascinated by how nature meets modern engineering, this is a rare look at how big jobs get done right. No narration, no distractions, just raw footage of machines and people working in perfect harmony with the forest. Next, the Vermeer WC2300 XL whole tree chipper delivers both in full force. This video captures the machine in action, transforming towering trees into uniform wood chips with incredible efficiency. It's not just brute strength on display, but smart engineering at work. Watch as massive logs are fed into the infeed system and quickly reduced by a powerful chipping mechanism, aided by Vermeer's advanced Smart Crush technology and variable speed dual infeed conveyor chains. The WC2300 XL doesn't just handle timber, it dominates it. Designed for high-output operations, this chipper is a game-changer for professional loggers and land-clearing crews. You'll see how operators maintain control and efficiency with remote controls, manage material flow effortlessly, and even move the chipper easily with built-in skid grabs. Every second of this footage demonstrates how modern forestry machinery can boost productivity while tackling some of the toughest natural materials on the planet. Whether you're in the logging business or just fascinated by big machines at work, this clip delivers a powerful look into the capabilities of today's forestry equipment. It's not an ad. It's a raw, real demonstration of performance in the field. Don't miss it.